It's still more than a year before the country conducts its first national automated elections. But in Valenzuela City, students of a public school got a taste of what it's like to take part in electronic voting. Rauna Crisostomo on cue.
Students in Citero Francisco Memorial National High School in Valenzuela City want to make history. They conducted an electronic voting or e-voting to elect student leaders, a first in public schools. The day began with a briefing on how to vote using the computer program. Watchers are posted in the polling precincts to ensure that cheating will not happen. Validation of voters are done before they cast their votes. The voters choose their desired candidates and click the submit button. The results in one computer or precinct are automatically tallied.
Madali po. Kasi po ano po sa computer.
Mas madali kiniklik na lang po ngayon. Saka hindi po madaling madaya.
After 2.5 hours, 700 students, about half of the student population, have cast their votes. Minutes later, results were released. Last year's class valedictorian, with the help of fellow college classmates, wrote the election software. The software is made to protect the results even on blackouts or computer shutdown.
May nag-backup po ako kung sakali. Nililista niya na po yung mga number of votes na dumaan sa kanya. President 2, 5. Then yung last vote, 5. Then pag in-end po yung program, may magsusulat po nito. End of count, the program was closed dito po sa ilalim.
Sa pamamagitan ng e-voting na kung saan makikita nating walang daya, mabilis at sistematiko. Kung kaya ng mag-aaral namin, maaaring kaya rin ng pamahalaang nasyonal.
Rauna Crisostomo reporting on cue.